Remember that video from whatever that last video was? Yeah, well, now we're on that next one. We're on the next one, and guess what? We made some mistakes. So in top-level lookup tables, in diagram solved room data jumps, we've added two variables. R13 seek row, the amount of pixels we need to seek to get to the next row of room data in the memory layout, right? So there's... fucking hell. Let's just keep going. Let's keep going. R13 seek column, right? Seek to the next column of rooms. So we have a 128 by 128 block of memory for every single room worth of data, but it's inside of a 2048 by 2048 texture. So to seek to the next row of rooms, it's 2048 times 128, and that's the consideration that we forgot about. So we're going to take this variable, and we're going to alias it to RSR, and then in this let's fucking do this, you maggots section, all of these things have been edited here. All these kind of variables that we're calculating, right? Jumping from room 1 to these rooms, right? Offsetting a data pixel index somewhere in this room to offsetting it so it's still in the same position, but in a different room, right? Same relative position, same local position, but just in a different room, right? So all we did was put RSR here. Anywhere where there was a 2048, anywhere there was a 2048, it's been changed to RSR, right? So that 2048 was wrong, and now for every single one of these variables that we are using in the lookup table, we've changed the calculation to use RSR rather than 2048, because we were fucking wrong. Okay, what we did previously, and then we have our diagrams down here, and in our diagrams, we took this variable, and we're going to call it NR in the diagrams, and in the diagrams, we just changed the calculations as well. So that way the diagrams have the correct calculations and the code has the correct calculations, right? So now these lookup table values should be correct, but we still have to actually write some unit tests for them, which we'll do in the next video probably. My name's Kanji Coder, and I am making a game engine. I'm making a Bomberman MMO. If you like Bomberman, you're gonna fucking love this. You need to like and subscribe, because it's gonna be fucking awesome. And you want to like me before it was cool to like me, right? Because it's gonna be fucking awesome. We're gonna sell millions of copies, because we are making something that awesome, and I fucking believe in it, right? Or maybe I'm just fucking crazy, but I think we're really gonna do it. I think I got something amazing. Like and subscribe.